Turning our attention to the northeast, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has found himself in the midst of the political storm after a clash between Congress workers and Assam police during the Bharat Chodo Nyay Yatra. Years more. Just 2 days after Assam police filed a case against Rahul Gandhi and his associates, the matter has taken a new turn. Assam Police Chief GP Singh announced on X that the case has been transferred to the Specialized Criminal Investigation Department or CID for an extensive and thorough investigation through a special investigation team. Assam Chief Minister Himanta Sharma accused Congress of employing Naxalite tactics, resulting in a massive traffic jam. Congress leaders in turn claimed that the Chief Minister, a former Congress member, is intentionally obstructing the yatra. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has written to Union Home Minister Amit Shah highlighting security breaches during Rahul Gandhi's yatra in Assam. In his public addresses, Gandhi has criticized Sharma, labeling him the country's most corrupt chief minister and alleging that he is controlled by the centre from Delhi. Despite the escalating tensions and legal challenges, Rahul Gandhi remains undeterred, daring the Assam chief minister to file more cases against him, asserting that he is not afraid.
HBS जिसको कहते हैं, उसका कंट्रोलर दिल्ली में बैठा है और वो देश का सबसे बड़ा चीफ मिनिस्टर है। अब पता नहीं कहां से इसके दिमाग में आइडिया आ गया कि वो राहुल गांधी को डरा सकता है। जितने केस लगाने मेरे ऊपर लगा दो, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मुझे। मैं नहीं डरता, मैं बीजेपी से नहीं डरता, मैं आरएसएस से नहीं डरता। मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। जितने केस डाले, 24 लगाए, 25 लगाए, 25 और लगा दो, लो मजे लो। मैं बताऊं आपको एक बात बताता हूं। एक दिन आए मेरे पास, केस लगा दिया, केस हरवा दिया। मैंने अदानी के बारे में एक भाषण दे दिया पार्लियामेंट में, देखा होगा आपने। अदानी जी के बारे में भाषण दे दिया और मोदी जी के खास दोस्त हैं, वो दोस्ती है, तो उन्होंने कहा भाई दोस्त को तो बचाना पड़ेगा, मेरे ऊपर केस लगा दिया, पार्लियामेंट से निकाल दिया। कहा कि भैया राहुल गांधी की लोकसभा की सदस्यता रद्द कर दो।
Rahul Gandhi, along with other Congress leaders, faces charges under 9th section of the Indian Penal Code, including rioting, unlawful assembly, and criminal conspiracy. The case stems from the clash between Congress workers participating in the yatra and Assam police near the Guwahati city limits. The state BJP government had restricted the yatra from key Guwahati roads, citing potential traffic disruptions. Despite this, Congress workers attempted to enter the city, leading to a confrontation with a substantial police presence at the city borders. Subhashish Govekar and Sangeeta Oli for Goa 365.